also talk about shares of General Mills, from chips to cereal. The stock, they're dropping after reporting mixed fourth fiscal quarter results. The cereal company saw margins narrow, eating into profits as inflation continues to take a toll on input costs and consumer spending. So those shares taking a hit of about 4% here this morning on this. And it's interesting, as we have gotten further into the year, initially the narrative with many of these companies was they were able to raise prices even if volumes were declining. Well, is this sort of the early vanguard of what we were going to see in the next quarter? Because General Mills reports on a little bit of a different cadence.
Yeah, and this was not a good one to eat your breakfast over this morning as we were taking a look at some of the results here. Some of the major outlook that they had provided here as well. Organic net sales, they are still expected to increase for the fiscal 2024 outlook by about 3 to 4%. Adjusted operating profit also expected to increase by about 4 to 6%. And then additionally, EPS expected to increase 4 to 6% as well here. But they had some serious segment concerns here. Overall, if there was one thing that I was continuing to look through, it's not just in the North America retail segment, where particularly even though over the course of the year they had said there was favorable net price realization and mix, that was unfortunately offset by lower pound volume. So even as the volumes were moving lower, they were having to increase price so that they could make sure that they were maintaining revenue base and to a certain extent the margin base that they were expecting.
Yeah, I'm looking at these volume numbers. Organic sales volume overall down 6 points. North American retail organic sales volume down 6 points. Pet organic sales volume, because they have a pet business as well, down. North American food service volume down. International volume down. You get the idea. And all of those numbers, by the way, were down more than analysts had estimated. And in some cases, analysts had predicted a gain, particularly in pet, and they got a decline. So they really got walloped by those volume declines, it looks like.
All right. We're going to keep an eye on the Fido trade out there with that pet segment.
Yes, we will.